Hello everyone, this is the problem is given. We have to detect red and white regions of this image, and also we have to get minimum and maximum pixel value in the image, average pixel value in the image, and the number of non-zero and zero values of the pixels in the image. So now we will write image CV I'm red and paste the path of the image. Here is the path of the image. We have to paste it and call the detect red and white region function. Here we can see in the function this will show the image, the real image, which is in BGR format. Now for detection we have to convert it to HSV format. For converting HSV we have to write HSV cv.cvt color image cv color BGR to HSV. This line will show the HSV image of the real image. Now we have to detect red and white region. So the red lower region of HSV in using numpy array. We have to write those line in the first. Then we will use this numpy array to detect the lower range and upper range. These are the limited range which we can be found in Google. I took it from this page, which is this is the ranges, lower and upper range of red. I also write the lower white range and upper white range from Google. Now we have to mask the red and white ranges because we have to detect the red and white regions in the HSV. So first we mask the red using CV in range function, built-in function, and HSV comma lower red range and upper red range. Like masked red, we have to do masked white. Then we will OR the masked white and masked red. We can also use bitwise OR, but it is easier to use this line. Now this will show the detected red and white zone in black white image. This is the real image. This is the HSV converted image, and this is the detected black and white image. The white images are black or red, and the black images are another color. This is how we detect red and white regions. Now we have to detect the pixel values. Here they said using a numpy array in BGR format of the got in detection of red and white region. In detection of pixel, we using numpy array represent in gray scale image. So we have to convert the BGR image to gray scale. So we use gray equals to CVT to CVT color same way to BGR to gray. Now we have to use this gray image to detect the maximum, minimum pixels and the other pixel values. First we will call the function. Now we'll write pixmax and npamax. This function shows the maximum pixel of the image, and amin. This function shows the minimum image of the minimum pixel of the image. To get the average pixel of the image, we have to use mean function, and after that we have to detect the non-zero pixels in the image, so that we have to write np.count non-zero. This is also built-in function. An image, there is no built-in function for detecting zero pixels, so we have to just minus the non-zero pixels from the total pixel size. Here is and we will print the minimum pixel values and maximum pixel values, average pixel values, non-zero pixel values, and zero pixel values. Now run the program. This is the red and white detection images, and here this shows the number of maximum pixel 254, minimum 0, average 6.8, and so on, non-zero and 0 pixel. This is how we can get the pixel values from this code. Thank you.